Hi there, it's Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com. And today I just wanted to address a question that I've seen quite a bit. And it's about the Cricut permanent vinyl getting stuck in the tube when you've received it, and sort of how to get it out. I don't know if I'm going to hold this up closer for you, but if you can see the vinyl, it sort of looks like it's wet or stuck inside the tube. And I think it's just the material, the glossy permanent vinyl sticking to the inside of this plastic tube that it comes in. And I can show you, this is one that I've opened already, and I was able to get it to come out pretty easily. And this is how I did it. So basically what you want to do is you want to cut the tape, because it is taped shut. And of course, I wanted to cut it here in front of you because that way you know that I didn't get it out ahead of time. But it is a little tricky. So there, you can see inside, it's like this. And the way I got it out was actually to just take my fingers and rotate the tube a little bit so that the vinyl kind of tightens around my fingers and releases from the tube. So it's pretty straightforward. It comes out really easily. If you were looking to expand your collection of permanent vinyl, you sort of have to unroll it off your fingers to get it to come off your fingers. In the January 2019 Cricut mystery box, there are 10 rolls of permanent vinyl and 4 rolls of Cricut transfer tape, which is a pretty good deal for $39.99. So I don't know when you're watching this video, but it's a good way to build up your collection of permanent vinyl. So again, you just take the vinyl and kind of spool it, almost like spaghetti. You're spooling it around your fingers, and it will slowly just release from the tube and come right out. So that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, I would love if you would click the subscribe button in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Again, this is Nina Nandagopal at almostpractical.com.